Joel. And our best in bikini showdown is...
Sino gusto nyo?
Mr. J.M. De La Cruz.
Congratulations! Picture! Please stay on stage.
DJ, the volume please.
Next, we are going to announce this time our
guys, ito na i-announce na po natin ang ating second runner-up. Our second runner-up is to be awarded by Mr. Joel Rosales, another fashion designer. And this year's Mr. Pintados 2024 second runner-up is Mr. Joaquin Madrid!
Yes! Once again, Joaquin is our second runner-up for Mr. Pintados 2024. Congratulations, stay here, Joaquin.
Next, our first runner-up. Napakalaga po na posisyon ng first runner-up.
Dahil
Kung sakaling may mangyari sa grand winner, siya ang suspect.
wow, Mr. Universe, ano to? Siya na pala.
Our first runner-up to be awarded by Mr. Mark Reyes.
Sir Mark.
Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. This is the moment that we've all been waiting for. From preliminary
To the semis, and of course, the finals.
Here you go, Mr. Mark. And our first runner-up is Mr. J.M. De La Cruz.
Congratulations, J.M. De La Cruz is our first runner-up for Mr. Pintados 2024. Stay there. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Because we are going to announce the winner of our Mr. Pintados 2024.
And to be awarded by Attorney Rod Tuasen and Nanay June Lacson.
Yes! Attorney Ron, please join us. And calling Nanay June.
The result is final. This is
Nanay June.
grabe.
Sino kaya?
Hindi ko alam kung sino mananalo kasi hindi ko siya nakikita.
Yeah. But before that, Nanay June, baka may gusto ka muna na sabihin. Any message muna, Nanay June, to everybody before we announce the winner?
Nanay June! Nanay June! Nanay June!
Okay guys, maraming salamat po. So, ang stress tapos dito sa akin. Nakamit natin. Thank you Lord! Thank you!
Yes!
Salamat po sa blessing ko. Thank you sa mga mga. Salamat. Thank you so much. Media. Kung wala ang media, wala tayo. Sila po yung nagpo-push sa social media natin.
Babalik pa ba tayo dito sa pricing?
General Bell,
Hindi naman siya.
kay Jim Margo, thank you.
Babalik po sa Parisino.
Thank you. Yuki. Lex, of course. Lex TV.
Sir Frank.
Sir Frank, love you. Thank you.
Sir Nico.
Thank you. Mula sa Ama, nasa Indonesia. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ulit. Basio, thank you. Thank you, love you. Salamat po. Salamat po ng Diyos na thank you so much.
Yes, thank you po.
Nanay Jun! Nanay Jun! Nanay Jun! Nanay!
Of course, ako na nandiyan naman. Benjen. Thank you, Ken. Thank you very much. Jose. Salamat po sa inyo. Pabalik po kami ulit. Pabalik po yung last na kasi 2024. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Nanay June!
Yes! Thank you so much, Nanay June!